I'm still waiting for my heart just to calm down a little bit. So put in the batteries, I switched them on, and then all hell broke loose. Like I literally, I think my heart skipped like 3 beats. How's it guys? Welcome to my channel. So I picked up this little guy from a local supermarket. It's a naughty dancing robot. I mean, look there. I think there might be a lot of glaring going on. Sorry about that. And at the back there, and then full function. Wonderful music, colorful flashing lights, and one set of dance movement. The palm will be shining and the arm will be swaying up and down. The robot can rotate 360 degrees. It is a battery operated product. It says it comes with the music and the lights. I don't know why they are saying this is a naughty robot. I think he's very friendly. Digital Warrior number 8. So let's unbox this guy, but I will also give you guys a little close-up, and it says it's for ages 3 and up. So to show you guys how much I do like my robots, I've got this guy here.
Hello buddy, I'm your new partner, Airlock. I have a lot of skills. I can sing and dance. Yo ho, my friends, come on. Let's rock and roll. Music.
He's very excited. So we've got him, Candy Wida. Okay, and then we've got Robbie. What I like about this one, he's got different face expressions, which I'll show you guys quick. Okay, so let's see. Oh yeah, that's his angry face, by the way. Okay, so let's see what we're gonna do with this guy. So I actually Googled it. This thing retails for about 380 Rand. I picked him up for 150 Rand, so I'm hoping there's nothing wrong with him. But there's always a catch somewhere, but here's hoping. Let's see. I like the blue background. And of course I didn't bring my scissors or my little knife, but it's fine, I think I can manage. Well, let's assume I'm not gonna break it. Really bad. Ooh. Okay, wait, I'm tearing into the box, but I think that might work. Here we go. Yeah, that's very cute. So let's get some batteries in this little guy and see how he can dance. So let's have a closer look at our Digital Warrior number 8 robot, and it also says Digital Warrior. I'm not sure if you guys can actually see that on the camera. I don't know if it's 80 or 08, but we've got that there, and then we've got the eyes, the chest, and the hands that I'm assuming is going to light up along with its helicopter propeller. And I think this is the wheel it's going to be spinning on, or making the 360 degree turn. We've got the speaker up there, which I can tell you right now, as a parent, it's going to drive you nuts. And then we've got the battery compartment, and then obviously the on and off switch. And then the 3 AA batteries. So I'm gonna insert those and see what this little guy does. I'm still waiting for my heart just to calm down a little bit. So put in the batteries, I switched them on, and then all hell broke loose. Like I literally, I think my heart skipped like 3 beats. But the surprising part, it actually goes all over the place. It doesn't only stand in one place, spinning around and going up and down. It goes, you know, in a whole bunch of different directions, and it's very loud. But for the price I got it for, definitely worth it. Do I think it's worth paying the full 380 Rand? I suppose, you know, I think it will make a nice gift. Like, I would say yes, you know, buy it. It's worth it. You can buy it for a kid. And then I did not get the, you know, the opportunity to show you guys the box up close because there was a lot of reflection going on. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to post all the pictures right here, you know, just so you guys can read about it, and also, you know, the battery, what type of batteries it takes, which is the AA's and stuff like that. So as I'm talking, it will be showing, yeah? And this is a little bit of an understatement. It's way more energetic and colorful than what you are seeing right there. So we've got that going for us. So I'm gonna literally film it with my phone. I can't even use any type of tripod because, like I said, this little guy goes all over the place. But it should be fun though. But let me show you guys. Okay, so I hope you guys are ready to have a heart attack right about now. I think I switched him on about 3 times now, and I jump every single time. Okay, so let the magic start. And what did you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. For me, downsides, they could have included a remote like they did with the other ones, and I mean they're all around about the same price. I don't know why they did not include that. Doesn't make sense, but oh well. You've seen this guy in action. I'm not getting used to the loudness. Every time I switch the thing on, my heart like goes, but that's my opinion. So this is going to be a gift to a very special little boy in my life. He's going to love it. I'm so sorry to his mom, but I can't just put the thing away. So he's going to be playing with it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and then until my next video. Mwah.